Okay, so I decided to write the software for question one rather than write pseudocode. It helped me learn the program a lot more. And about robot C, so here I'm going to arbitrarily place my robot anywhere. Let's do there, I guess. I like to use this as a little alignment to see where I was starting. So there we go. Here's my code. I'm going to start him. And you'll see that I'm using a small little step. And the reason why I do that is because I try to go in faster. When you go faster, it's gonna take, because the sensor's not mounted in the middle, it's gonna take it and tilt the robot, and we don't want that. We don't want it to tilt. I want it to be perfect and nice and smooth when it hits that box. Look at that. Very cool. I take a reading up at the top. Not a big deal, that's just for more at my informational. Now I go back to where I started from. So he's still doing his thing. I don't know why the pen looks crooked on the video, but maybe it's the angle that I guess the angle I'm holding everything. There's the pen. He's gonna rotate around. There is a little degradation in performance because the battery wasn't charged, so obviously every time I'm testing this, it's wearing down the battery because I have every sensor going and I'm using the Bluetooth from my laptop. So I hope we have enough battery to complete this. And at the end of the run, he spins around to put himself in the same direction that he started once he's in the middle. So hopefully my battery's not going to die that much that it's not going to allow him to do that. So we'll just sit here for a minute and wait until he hits the wall, backs up, and then does some calculations to put himself in the center, and then does a spin to orientate him the way he started out from. Nice soft bump. Very good, very good. So what he does, he adjusts himself back to where he started from, and then does the math calculations to put him in the center, and then moves to that location and rotates to the same position that he started from. I know I could have probably did some extra math in there and did the calculation to have him not have to go back to where he started this last leg, but if I only had more time to work on that. So here we go. He's going to start back to his original position here in a moment. And it does work both ways. So you can turn the robot around and he will start going to the left, adjust himself, go to the right, and back up and adjust himself to the middle again. So now he's going to, there's the numbers on the screen that I used for my calculations. So and everybody keeps texting and calling me because it's snowing outside and I know I have to go plow. So he's kind of doing the calculations, figure out where the middle is. He's going to turn himself around here. Now he is in the middle of the two boxes. Excellent. And that's my goal with number one. Thank you for watching.